95% of drone pilots fail. Most of them never make $1 with the drone. Don't let that be you. The number one reason people fail is because they think it's just buying a drone, and that's not enough. So they watch YouTube videos, do a couple of test flights, and guess what? Nothing happens. So they give up. I get it. I was there. When I bought my first drone, I started flying, thinking money was started falling from the sky. But no one called me. No jobs, no opportunities, nothing. So I did something different. Instead of waiting for opportunities, I created them. I started positioning myself in the market and looking for clients that actually need the service. If you want to be the 5% of drone pilots that are actually making money, comment WIND and I'll send you my free step-by-step guide to help you get started.